Thursday, the 14th of November 2024. I'm at goSTOPS in Nainital. Oh, very, very chic hostel. Now at 8 o'clock, we're having a bonfire. A young group over here, a bonfire. This is the estate of goSTOPS. They own this entire place on the hilltop in the poshest locality of Nainital, one of the poshest locality. You can see the stable of motorcycles just parked there at the entrance of goSTOPS. Marvelous, yeah, marvelous. I feel I'm in Europe. I talk of Europe because I've seen almost entire of Europe. Plush deco, yeah, plush deco. They also have a in-house private theater, snookers, billiards. May the horse be with you.